So I did my reaction to Jisu and Zayn, which is fire, by the way. It's such an interesting collab, but YouTube blocked it. Now I don't even know why I've been getting blocked like this. I usually don't like come and talk about it on a video, but I just want to know, how do I have to blur it? Maybe I'm gonna blur it, in which way you're gonna see a blurred version of the video, because I get blocked for the audio and visual of it, and it's blocked worldwide. And I'm like, but there's other people that are out there that can show it, so I don't know, maybe I'm targeted. But either way, I'm not gonna let that stop me. Here's the reaction to Jisu and Zayn's song and music video, which is fire. And the unedited version will be up on my Patreon, free for everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching, as always. Thank you for support. We got Jisu and Zayn, Blinks and Directioners. All right, let's go. Come through. Play my intro. All right, Jisu and Zayn. I didn't expect this at all. I don't think anybody has, unless you're a real one, and I just don't. Sometimes my ears to K-pop a little bit slow nowadays. You know, thanks. Shout out to my Discord and all my followers that keep me up to date here and there when I can't. But Jisu and Zayn, eyes closed. Let's check it out. I saw clips already, like at least pictures. They look good together. They look dope. They have a spaceship. What's happening here? What is happening? Oh, she waking up. Dang, she look good. She always look good. Lips? You don't have to. Oh shit. She look ethereal. Is that a good word? I don't know. I can't. Whoa. What is that picture of Zayn? Oh. Oh. Okay, I haven't heard Zayn in a minute. I like Zayn. He was my favorite. Oh. Hey. Damn, that tattoo is crazy. They look good together. Hold up. Are they for real together in the same room? Whoa. Whoa. Damn. Sometimes I don't even know how to comment when two beautiful people are in the same room. Fall in love with our eyes closed. Damn, Jisu. Damn. I got tunnel vision every second. Let you with me. Okay. Talk to him. No, I don't care what anybody. Damn, she fine. Ooh. And he fine too, bro. I mean, he dope. He handsome. With our eyes closed. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's all good. Don't look. With our eyes closed. Is that Android? Bro, her hair is hairy. Oh, this is definitely Google. Bro, she is so fine. Oh my god. I've been you, but damn. They look good. Who are these people? Where's my casting? Bro, every time, every shot of Jisu, holy shit. With our eyes closed. Eyes closed, everybody. Just close your eyes. I can't. How am I supposed to close your eyes when the beauty like Zayn and Jisu are in front of my screen, bro? How am I supposed to close my eyes? All right, y'all, put in the comments down below what you guys think of Jisu and Zayn's Eyes Closed. I thought it was pretty good. That was fire. Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. Join the Discord. I'll be doing Twitch streams here and there, so be sure to check out my Twitch as well. Instagram, TikTok, everything, all that. Be sure to check out the music video. Go support it. Go stream it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link for my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.